Before we start our interview, let us get to know more about our interviewee.
Good day, I am Karin Pugong. I am currently a registered pharmacist in a community pharmacy.
So to start, have you ever heard of the term ghost pharmacist?
Yes.
Can you tell us more about the identity of a ghost pharmacist?
Ghost pharmacists are licensed pharmacists that are registered in FDA as registered pharmacists of that specific establishment or drugstore, but are not present during store hours and only go to that drugstore once in a month or if the owner requires them to do so.
How can this ghost pharmacist affect the consumers?
Ghost pharmacies affect the consumers because usually in a community pharmacy setting, a pharmacist is present to supervise the pharmacy operations, interpret and check prescriptions, dispense drugs, and counsels patients regarding the medicines they are buying, the dosage of the drugs, and adverse effects of the drugs, and other questions that customers want to know. And if a pharmacist is not present, there is a tendency that the pharmacy assistant will dispense a wrong drug that is dangerous or detrimental to the patient's health. Like for example, there was a situation before that instead of dispensing Ceparex, that is an antibiotic, the pharmacy assistant dispensed an antipsychotic drug which is Leponex. And the result is the patient was hospitalized. That is why pharmacist supervision in the entire store hours of the establishment is very vital not only for the good reputation or good customer service of the store, but most importantly for the well-being of the consumers.
What are its implications to the field of pharmacy?
If there are still ghost pharmacists, it will affect the credibility of the pharmacy profession because if there is frequency of cases of wrong dispensing of drugs, customers or consumers will no longer ask a pharmacist or will no longer believe that pharmacists are professionals or experts in drug dispensing and patient counseling, which will affect the field of pharmacy.
Thank you very much for your time, ma'am.
Okay, you're welcome.